All right, 5th grade, you should have this insert for your divisibility rules, and it should make it a little bit more quicker and easier to understand, and also just as a reference so you can go back to and practice in your spare time. And so what you'll find here is that we have this side looks like this, and then this side looks like this, okay? And so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do some cutting on the dotted lines, okay? Please do not cut all the way across. Once you see a solid line, stop. See, I just cut that portion there. I just cut it, okay? And then I see another dotted line, cut it. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna flip it around and do the same thing. Okay, now I'm gonna take these little doodads and I'm going to fold them in to the center. You see how it's on the center line right there? I didn't go over it, I just fold it to the center line. Do the same thing with these. Just making little windows. Most of y'all know how to get foldables into your journal by now, just by looking at the cut lines and looking at how they will fold. But for those of you who need a little assistance, that's fine. I'm an arts and craftsy kind of person, so this comes pretty easy to me because this is how I learn with my hands and moving them. And I'll even show you how to work through these with your divisibility rules as well too. So now I have all my windows closed on it to where you can fold it in and fold it out, okay? And so, excuse me. Now I'm going to flip it over to this side, and it actually says this side up, and it also says back. And so what I'll do is I'll put glue all over this, which I do have, thankfully, on hand. How handy am I? And I'm just going to put me some lines of glue on it. I'm not going to press too hard because I don't want to waste the glue. Okay. And I'll put that right into my journal. Bada, bada, bing, bang, boom. Good to go. Okay, now I have my divisibility rules. Now at the top, I should have left some room. I hope you did too. And I'm gonna write divisibility. Is that right? Divisibility. Man, that's a lot of I's. Divisibility. Yeah, I guess so. Ability rules. It seems like that's a lot of I's. Anyways, so that's how you get your insert in there. And if you open it up, this is how you use it. I opened up this. So I can, it's divisible by 2. That means I'm looking at a number. Let's say the number is, well, we have one inside. Let's say the number is 28 on A. It says divisible by 2 if the last digit is even or 0. And I don't like or 0 because guess what? 0 is even. 0 is even. It's totally even. Anyways. So 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it's divisible by 2. So is 8, which is 28. It ends in 8, so it is divisible by what? It's divisible by 2. It's divisible by 2. So yes. Okay, if you notice, I have a little answer key for this one here. Yes, and then, oh, we got a 0 here as the last digit. Yep, that's correct. Do we have, oh, no, this is an odd number. That's not even. This is an odd number. That's not even. So these cannot be divisible by 2. Okay, and then you continue onward. Now, you should have already used the video that taught you the divisibility rules and took notes on them. And yes, you need to write those notes in your notebook, but this is the tool that you use to practice and to reference. One more, you have divisibility by 4. The last digits are divisible by 4. So this is only one digit, okay? That's it. This is the last 2 digits. Well, this only has one digit. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, it is. So that is correct. 48 is divisible by 4. 48, well, that's 12. 12 times 4 is 48. So yes, it's divisible by 4. 14, is that divisible by 4? No, it's not. Now if we look at 100, are the last 2 digits divisible by 4? 0 divided by 4, yeah, it's 0. And we also know that 100 divided by 4 is a quarter, right? 25. So yes, that is divisible by 4. And then you continue on and on with these. I would like you to try all these. Pause it, go through and try these, work through them, but here's a good snapshot of the actual results, which you also have on Schoology and or Google Classroom. But there you go. Pause it after you've finished going through it, and go back and check your answers and see what you got. Thank you so much.